Hi, knowledge is a commodity to be shared. For knowledge to pay dividends, it should not remain the monopoly of the selected few. Welcome, guys, to the channel Learning Games. This is your host, one and only Himanshi Gupta. So, guys, in this video today, we will learn 10 interesting facts related to Earth. Let's begin our journey of this video. So, stay connected till the end. Earth is our terrestrial planet. The first fact is Earth is a terrestrial planet. How is it possible? It is possible because our Earth is mostly composed of silicate rocks or metals. That's why it is also known as rocky planet. There are 3 other planets which is named as terrestrial planets. They are Mercury, Venus and Mars. So total there are 4 planets in our solar system which is known as terrestrial planet. Let's move to our second fact. Melting glaciers have an impact on Earth shape. According to some experts, according to some scientists, you can say they call it as a waistline. Because of direct result of melting glaciers that are an impact of climate change, and that's why only our Earth shape is changing day by day. Let's move to our third. The planet is constantly spinning. Yeah, this point is in some way a laugh point. Now, why it is a laughing fact, or you can say why it is a laugh point? Because it tells us that we are currently spinning, and that's true. We are spinning. It may be hard to wrap your brain around, but here on Earth, we are constantly spinning. According to space.com, Earth spins as fast as 1000 miles per hour, but it depends where you are standing on the planet. Yes, it totally depends where you are spinning at your position, where you are standing, and where you are spinning according to your miles. Let's move to our fourth fact. The first ever Earth Day was instituted in 1970. The date April 22 was chosen to maximize students. Now, why we have selected April 22? Why not April 30? Why not November 18? Why not 16 June? Why not 3rd May? We have chosen 22 April 1970 only because that is the mid break of summer. Okay, that is the summer break, and also students has completed their final exams also. So that's why in between we celebrate this day as Earth Day. Let's move to our fifth. 60% of Earth's population lives in Asia. Do you know this fact? No. Most populated continent in our world, on our Earth, is Asia. With more than 40 countries through the continent of Asia, some of which are the most populated countries of the all. So remember this point, that 60% of Earth's population lives in Asia. Let's move to our sixth fact. About 90% of Earth's fresh water is locked in ice. Now you will be asking that ice, are 90% of Earth's fresh water is locked in ice? How is it possible? Yes, there is a place known as one and only Antarctica. It is locked with ice, and the frozen polar ice sheets consist of fresh water. That is 90%. So whenever you visit to Antarctica, remember this, that you are standing on that place which covers the 90% fresh water of the Earth's surface. Let's move to our seventh point. Earth had a twin planet called Theia. Do you know about this? No. I hope so. No. Earth had a twin planet called Theia. Yeah, this is true. 100% true. Our Earth has also a twin. Scientists now believe that we were once not alone in our orbit around the sun. We had a twin. It looks same like the Earth, and the twin planet known as Theia. The size of Theia is same as our Mars and was 60 degrees either in front or behind our big blue ball. So now this is the point to be remembered, that our Earth had a twin planet which is known as Theia. Let's move to our 8th point. Asia is the largest continent. Now, Asia is the largest continent. Yes, it's true. In the previous points, we had learned that our Asia is the biggest continent, which covers the 60% population of our Earth. So, Asia spans the 17139,445 square miles and is home to some of the most densely populated countries in the world: China, India, and Indonesia, to name a few. According to this point, that Asia is the largest continent. First point. Another point in this point only, that it gives to home some most densely populated countries such as China, or India, and Indonesia. So guys, let's move to our 9th point. Earth once had 2 moons. There was a theory earlier that a computer model attempted a figure regarding that why the side of the moon that faces Earth is relatively low and flat. So this model, after many research, suggests that earlier there was a collide of 2 moons. One is current moon and another is companion moon. So at that time there was 2 moon. Let's move to our last point, that is 10th. Days on Earth are increasing. Do you know this thing? But it happens. It really happens. You can notice century by century, not day by day, not minute by minute, not hour by hour. But you can notice it century by century. So, a day on Earth would have registered as 6 hours long. Earlier it was. Nowadays you all know that day lasts 24 hours. But that's ever changing. In fact, the days increases by 1.7 milliseconds every century. Whenever we notice, or you can Google it, that days are increasing by 1.7 milliseconds every century. So days on Earth are increasing century by century, 1.7 milliseconds. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, if you get something new to learn, then please give your comments under this video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon button. मिलते हैं next video में.